Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update apps in bulk on iPhone App Store. So let's get started. First, open your App Store. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. Now you'll land on your account page. This is exactly what you're seeing right here. So from here, tap on App Updates. Once you open that, you'll see a list of apps that have available updates. Now at the very top, you should see a button that says Update All. Then you'll see a number of apps that will be updated. So go ahead and tap Update All. And just like that, your iPhone will start updating all your apps in bulk. So you'll notice each app begins updating automatically. No need to tap them one by one. And while that's happening, you can still use your phone like normal. So everything runs in the background. Now, quick tip, if you have a lot of apps, make sure you're connected to Wi Fi so the updates download faster and don't eat up your mobile data. Also, if you don't see the update all button, that usually means your apps are already updated or automatic updates are already handling it for you. So, speaking of that, if you want this to happen automatically in the future, so go back. Now, scroll down and tap on App Store settings and turn on app updates. So scroll down and go to automatic downloads and you will see app updates in there. So if it's gray, that means it's turned off. Just toggle it on just like so and you will get automatic updates. So that way your app stays updated without you even checking. And that's it. That's how you can update apps in bulk on iPhone using the latest App Store layout. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.